Good day, our viewers. We have a topic on our table today about Atiku, the former Vice President of Nigeria, declaring his intention to become in contesting for the President of this nation in 2019. My office mates, what do you think about this? Atiku declaring his intention to contest.
I think why not let's start from how many contestants we have already for that position in 2019. I know of Atiku, I know of Payoshi, I know of Atiku, I know of Payoshi, and I read of the women, APC women declaring this Kaduna State Governor El-Rufai that they want him also to contest. Yeah. So that means let's assume we have three people already. That is Atiku, El-Rufai, and Governor Payoshi.
So, but the truth of the matter is, this is 2017. The election is 2019. We have not seen results of the last election in 2015. And yes, in 2 years to come, we are already discussing who will be our next president, who the aspirants are. We've not gained the dividends of our last election. Despite quote and unquote, it's a pure election, free and fair election. We don't have no job. Companies are folding out. They said we are out of recession. They said we are out of recession. People go to embassies. People are lobbying to get any visa, any country visa they want to be. There is no blueprint to anything, and we are okay. That is that. What is this thing? What's the difference between Atiku, El-Rufai, and Payoshi? All of these aspirants they were once in government. Okay, if El-Rufai becomes president, former governor, former this, he will still be collecting the same salary. You are still igbaruning. I think, in my own opinion, it's just a political gimmick or a kind of politics just to distract us from thinking aright as a nation. And it's another indication that government of the day does not have any plan for us. We are talking about this what's it called, hyper issues in the west.
Yeah.
The east, the westerners are come up with Yoruba system. X-men are still killing people day in day out, kidnappings everywhere. We have no issues. We have no solutions. All of these issues. If Atiku wants to contest 2019, he should come out, set up an organization that will be feeding the poor now. Let his school go do public examination to get scholarship for 200 Nigerians to be to attend the school. Let them be visible things affecting life.
Let's all the people that I just mentioned now that so far have shown their interest in that office for 2019, I have not seen any person that can actually do it right. Don't let me use the word do it right. I have not seen somebody that will serve Nigeria, that I think will serve Nigeria right. Even if the incumbent the present president should declare his intention as well to contest, out of the four of them, I have not even seen. Is it okay? The present president has done 2 years already. He's not seen anything.
Yes.
All we are hearing is just change. They are doing this, they are doing that. We've not seen the reality of what they are doing. So, out of the four of them that are currently on ground, that's assuming Buhari that is joining them. Yes. I've not seen any of them that will serve this nation the way because all these people they've served. Are they even serving us? They've ruled us. They are not serving us. They are just only the one serving. They have ruled us. No, one time or the other, and we have seen what they can render. They are not the set of people we need for this nation. Sincerely, we need a new person. But our problem in Nigeria is that if we should have an independent candidate, how we going to vote for him? Because we'll be saying that this person, we don't know him, we don't know what he can do, we don't know his antecedents. Maybe it's even worse than
for me, the truth of the matter is just that things are not just that. But Atiku to be talking of 2019 election when in the midst of everything that's happening in the nation currently, it means that the so-called APC government that people thought we actually thought things around. There is nothing to APC government. There is nothing. There is no candidate that will emerge from APC that will be deemed to be credible or have something tangible to offer. All hopes were high when the government of the day came into power, and all we got is the change in quotes. Sincerely, so for someone to come up and okay, be vying for the post of president in 2019, well, it's part of it because they thought, see, the politicians we have that they actually understand Nigeria, and part time, and as the election period is drawing closer, they know which joker, or like some people will say, which number to actually roll out, so that people will actually take the number and they will have their way again. So I think for him to be saying such a thing, there is more to it anyway. But if I want to consider Atiku as a candidate, for me, it should not. It's no good. No.
And if after this people have good intention for Nigeria, why can't Dr. Kawuchi, former Vice President Atiku, then why can't just come out and support this government? Let them show the government that they are doing wrong, and let's work together with the present government to see to develop things. Then after the present government, after their 4 years tenure expire, then they can. But 2 years, they barely spent 2 years, and they are all coming up to say
after they have started condemning the next game that will come.
After this, they don't even have anything for us. They just want to come and get what they want.
Because Nigeria is different from all other African countries. That's number one. Whether because we have diverse tongues in this country. But the only thing I want us to look at more is that there is an understanding about Nigerian politics that we are supposed to understand. When Obasanjo, when Obasanjo finished, we won the president in the election at 2003 after he has done the first term. Do you remember he campaigned for the next third term without even, he has not even finished a year, if you remember that time. And that is what causes one of the first quarrel between him and Atiku. Why Atiku to ask intention, the former president, this same president, intention of becoming the president. And Atiku was out to the UK there and was declaring himself as the next president coming. And the guy was now telling him that we have not even finished this. We are just entering to the first year, we are barely in the first year, you are now campaigning for the next one. Let's finish this first. Not only that, even the president of them has an intention. So it's an assistant now, we should know that these people are keeping rolling themselves up, and there is no APC, there is no PDP, if you want to say. What's the difference between APC and PDP? As someone tell us.
That is just the name.
The difference is the name.
The best
we have the same element.
The same crop of people
inside both.
They want to see a new Nigeria as my take. Let's go for new leadership that they have not been there for us. Not even from presidency alone, from presidency down to the local government chairman.